We're gonna make Santa hot cocoa. First, you put the marshmallow fluff on, like so. I'm most proud about this one. Looks so cute, like snow. Then you make the hot chocolate with milk and popcorn. You don't really need that for hot cocoa, but you kind of do. So cute. Ooh, how goes it?
Oh, it's going good.
You need some of this, some of this. The pressure. Whoa. It's so pretty. Wow. We didn't make enough. Okay, let's.
I think you're gonna put on the.
Your carpentry skills.
One thing I didn't like peppermint. I can't think so now. It's like I just don't like peppermint.
Wow. You want to try this? Look how beautiful she is.